tumawag lang sa akin. Nagtong pausan mo na to. Ayun mo na to.
When I'm it's a different care of everything you're ready when I'm gone. It's not your home anymore when I'm gone. You kiss me goodnight with your arms reach out to hold me tight and keep me in your arms, in your arms. Sometimes I wanna run to you like lovers do when love is real. Just for a moment be close to you, pretending I'm still holding you. And even I'm far away, the dream will stay. Someday, I'll play with emotions or fantasy. Love will bring you back to me. When I'm gone, I've been thinking about you constantly. Was your love inside my memory from now on? And I know that we said we needed time apart, but your love is pulling on my mind. Wouldn't show. Tonight, with your arms reach out to hold me tight and keep me your dreams in your heart, in your life. Sometimes I wanna run to you like lovers do sadyang nasasaktan kahit di rin naman tayo. Puso ko'y nanurugo at harang umiisip ang didila. Oh, iyan tayong dalawa ay lagi na lang pinagsasalosan siya. Bakit ba siya at pag hindi na lang ako? Oh, kasama lang tayo. Naiinis ako, nasisira ang araw ko. Ba naman? Naiingit siya sa'yo! Pasok niya! Sa akin yun! Natulak pa nga. Ako naglalakbay.
Pag may amat ko, sali kita dito ha.
Ang tunay na aking tinataglay, tuwing lang dahilan kung ba't ako naglalakbay. Stay by me, Diana.
Parang ang inasinan doon.
Baka masis ulit eh.
Ang mandaragat.
I love you, but you love me. Oh, Diana, can't you see? I love you with all my heart.
All girls daw eh.
All girls drink. All girls drink. Oh, happy birthday!
Happy Fiesta!